Okay, so, hello, my name's Henry. Question is, where is God's computer? Well, the answer is, God's computer is in your heart, and it's in your mind, and it is inside of you. So, what is God's computer? The answer is, we are God's computer. We process and store information like a computer. If you're not getting any if you're not getting a problem because of it, well, actually, we began to discover God's computer brain. What I said, I'm going to show you what God's computer brain is. So we're going to give you what God's computer brain is. God's computer brain is knowledge and the things that you learn and the stuff that you read. God's computer brain is everything. It could be this. God's computer brain is everything. This right here, I said it, this right here, this right here is God's computer brain. So I'm going to show you God's computer brain. This stuff could be knowledge being downloaded into God's computer brain. This is God's computer brain. You see that? This is God's computer brain. And this is God's computer brain. And this is also God's computer brain. This is God's computer brain. This is the motherboard of God. This is God's motherboard. This is God's computer brain. All the processing. This other book is God's computer brain. These are all downloads being downloaded into God's computer brain. This right here is God's computer brain. But there's another thing that is God's computer brain. We're not done yet, but we're gonna talk about the virus of God's computer brain. So, before we talk about God's computer brain, first we're gonna discuss the virus. Now your brain is like a big gigantic computer. Your brain is also like a small computer. When you open up a computer, you will see that there's programs when you turn it on. Programs are when you open up your computer, when you turn on your computer, your computer will come up with all these programs like Internet Explorer and Safari and web browser and much more. Just like a computer downloads information, just like a computer processes and stores information, your brain processes and downloads and stores information, much like a computer. And like us, we began to show you how the viruses work. And a bad program that gets into your computer, like a virus, or something called malware when you download malicious software, like a virus that gets to your computer does not work anymore. Your computer freezes, your computer crashes, your computer dies. When you connect to an unsecure, unprotected network, you get viruses. But much like a computer, our brains work the same way. We work the same way. And similar to a computer. So, this is all we had discussed. Now we're going to show you viruses. But, like a computer, viruses could be in God's computer, smashing all information. But I'm going to show you with the computer. When the computer has a virus, then the virus pops up on the screen, the monitor of the computer. See, that's a virus. It says, caution, virus has been detected. But as we said, like a computer, viruses are being invented. But there's more similarities to your brain as a big computer also. So, this is a similarity. Your brain is also like a big computer. And It processes everything and it stores all the data that is being received. Like this, a big, gigantic frame of downloading new information, processing, input, and social.